Alright, let's unwrap the car, and I'm very curious how it will look like without the wrap. The color of the wrap is not really my thing, but the way the wrap is done is actually pretty good. If you look at the lines over here and the details, it's freaky good. You can see that they put everything off and wrap all the parts and put them back together. So well done from the company that did wrap. But for now I'm really curious how it looks without the wrap and how the paint is under the wrap. I guess pretty good, because I already checked if the car has any damage history or something, and it hasn't so far, so that's good. But it doesn't say anything about scratches, so maybe the whole car is in scratches or something. So that's a bit an exciting thing, how it will look like. But we will find out. To give a short practical explanation of what I found out during the way. As you know from the other project, I'm also do a lot of painting of the cars, and I know that the most fragile piece from the clear coat is on the edges. So if I put the wrap off, I need to be really careful at the edges, and to be really careful I end always with the edges, so always work from the middle to the edge. So I'm sure that the clear coat will stay, and yeah, if it come off, it is really a weak point from the clear coat. But on this way, yeah, it's the most safe way. So some practical tips during this way. Alright, almost there, just the last bumper and then everything is done, and it's actually pretty good. Of course it needs a polishment, like there are a lot of wash scratches, but it's fine. After the polishment I think it's a really sick car. It looks way better in my opinion. Wow. So much better?